और ये ऊपर दादर का ब्रिज है। So my bike the condition is fine, but it is really very dirty. As you can see, there are a lot of dust. I'm riding this after a long time. Take it for washing. Bike purchase it. You can see the state of my bike, how it is. पूरा ना गंदा हो गया एकदम से। It's quite dirty. अच्छे से वॉश कराने के। See how dusty it is. Sorry about the voice, but it पूरा गंदा हो गया बाइक मेरा। तो अभी इसको वॉशिंग कराते हैं। Alright, so I just got my bike washed and this is for a very affordable rate, and it's just opposite Thomas Tutorial Khandwala compound, and the name of the place is SA Washing Center, and I have my friend here. So he's really washed my bike, and you get amazing service out here. So whenever you want to come for a bike wash, if you are somewhere around in Wakola, Kalina, you can come out to this place. एंड द बेस्ट इज ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगा मेरे को, कुछ अराउंड 20 मिनट लगा, तो फटाफट वॉशिंग करके मिलेगा. भाऊ डिझेल वॉश पण भेटतं ना, डिझेल वॉश. तर वॉशिंग फक्त बाईकला की कारला पण?
कारला पण वॉश पण दोन्ही होते, पण होते, कार वॉश पण होते.
ओके, सो ओके, सो ॲज यू सी यू कॅन वॉश ऑटो, बाईक, कार, and very reasonable. You have diesel wash and sada wash as well. Alright guys, and you can meet Pradeep. Pradeep is the owner. Thanks. I wanted to go to Dadar to get a GoPro battery. However, I have decided that why not try in Kurla, since I am here in Wakola. There is Chroma in Kurla where I can check if I can find a GoPro battery that will save a lot of time and I can do some other work. आज का दिन जो है ना पूरा भाग दौड़ी का है. Here is Chroma in Kurla, and here is Phoenix Mall right in front. So if I don't find it here, I have an option to go out to the mall as well and check it. So यार Chroma पहुंच गए, मिलता हूँ आपको अंदर अगर लॉगिंग करने दिया तो.
A place where you can run free. Time does not exist. Take a chance when the road before us falls under our face. I can't hold on, I can't remain so strong. We have the same old bond, but
This is Dadar station for you guys. See the crowd. And in the morning it's even more crowded. So there are some roses that have been sold out here. A lot of flowers being sold out here. This is the flower market. Oh great, look at the crowd here. Dadar station is very crowded, and that is the Kabutar Khana. थोड़ा फोटोग्राफी करते हैं वहाँ पे. And there are a lot of stalls here put up on the road itself. People are selling a lot of things. अगर आपको यहाँ पे आना है कुछ खरीदने के लिए, you'll get it for reasonable price. Bargaining skills होना चाहिए आपके पास, बस और कुछ नहीं. See the number of pigeons flying out there. Amazing scene there. कितने टाइम के बाद आ रहा हूँ यहाँ पे मैं. I'm being not been coming to this part of the city. It's been years. I don't know when last I had visited this place. I've been to the other station, but I have never been to this place. There are street food as well there. Wow. I'll show you all the pigeons from a bit closer. I'm here at JJ Sons and Dadar. This is a good shop. Like one of my friends suggested to come out here for a camera, body or anything, any sort of accessories. I wanted a GoPro battery, which I was desperate for. So I have an older one here. So I have an older one here. I wanted a new one, but I couldn't get a new one because I did not have that. And since it's an old camera, now since there is an upgrade for GoPro 8, 9. So you don't get these sort of batteries, but we have an alternator which is Ti-Fi. So this is called Ti-Fi digital battery for GoPros. It supports GoPros, a third party, but it's for an affordable price first of all. And I don't know about the battery backup, but I will use it and then I'll let you all know how it works. Rest, it fits. So I'll just show you all just to make sure that I have the correct. So this is the Ti-Fi battery, okay. And I'm just fitting, see, just make sure that it's a chai vlog hai bhai ye. So here it is. I have put it in my GoPro. I'll just start it and it works fine. Here you can see it's working fine. Okay. Now the battery, I charged it as well and it was around 15%. It's gone down. I will have a review if you all want in regards to this, how it works, but for now it's working fine. So if you all come to this place, whenever you all come, to make sure that you come and you check, and once you are satisfied, then you can purchase it. So I've done a lot of talking out here. So just wanted to show you guys. So purchase this if you all want for a GoPro 7, 6, 5, or if you are not getting it online. 9, 10 also. Even 9, 10, whatever camera gears or batteries, accessories, you can come down to the shop. It's just near Dadar station. Alright, yeah, so that's it. And we'll talk to the owner with me. So I just wanted to know, so what about the discount they can give if you get some more money?
Yeah, we regularly give discounts and a lot of offers are there. We stock all big brands, Nikon, Canon, Sony, Panasonic, Fujifilm, all of them are there. We have GoPro also. We have Insta360 also with us. So the whole lineup is there. This is our store. And you can visit the store, or you can even visit our website, do online shopping also. We ship all across India.
So here you have options of a lot of camera bodies, and if you are more into photography or vlogging, you can definitely come out to this page. You get discount as you said, and plus you have a lot of options out here. You can see. I'll just show you all cameras here. So you have all new cameras. You have service as well. The new servicing as well of cameras or any sort of cleaning. So
lens cleaning and all.
Lens cleaning and all that. So it's quite at a reasonable price, and he's giving me a lot of options. So next time I can come down and drop in my camera for a cleaning or for a servicing. And if you all guys do want to come to this place, I'll put the link of this place in the description. So you can just come out to the shop and experience it yourself. I won't say much. You can see there's Panasonic 4K and that are 60 frames. You have 50 frames per second as well. So you have upgraded cameras out here. You have a Sony Alpha 64, which is very good for vlogging.
Yeah.
So
lenses on top. These are all.
Yeah, you have the 50mm lens and you have it at a aperture of 1.8. You have a good background blur with the lower aperture. So you have Canon as well. You have a RF 20 to 70.
This is the whole Canon mirrorless.
Okay, so that is the mirrorless series. You have Canon. You have Nikon as well, which is the Z series. And as a mirrorless section, you have the D78, which is amazing. It has a good shutter speed. So there is a lot to talk about this. Like if you're into photography, you will just go crazy because they have such wide ranges of camera, and the DSLR, or the DSLR range, the mirrorless cameras. You have amazing the A7. I'm just going crazy after seeing all this. And if you're into photography or wedding photography, you want to start off photography, then it's amazing to come here, look into the options what you have. I know you can go to Bora Bazaar, but this is another great shop to come out here. It's just near the Dadar station. It's walkable, and you can just come out. JJ Mehta and Sons. It's just out here. You can see a lot of stationaries. You can just walk just by the road, and you get amazing options guys. And for accessories as well, you have a lot of options out here. Like, so you have batteries, you have memory cards, you have chargers, lot of things, lot of options guys. You can see you have the upgraded, you have the Rode mic as well, you have Insta360, GoPro 10 as well. So you have a lot of GoPro accessories as well out here. So great options. Here you can see.
So these are all filters.
You have filters, the UV filters it is called. Then you have
The battery is what she bought.
the batteries. So these are third party batteries but at very affordable rate. And I'm just I want to show you all that, you know, at a cheaper rate, because GoPro offers quite expensive ranges of batteries and accessories, but here you can come out for third party, but just make sure that you do come and check, and then you can purchase it. Guys, that's all. Sorry. Alright guys, so that's all from my end. I'll talk to you all later. So there is a shop guys. So I just wanted a spare battery. I didn't get a GoPro battery, the original one. So इधर पार्किंग का कोई इशू है, so you have to park at your own risk. और ये है हमारा दादर स्टेशन. You can see food stalls, clothing, garments, shoes भी सब मिलते हैं इधर पे. और यहाँ पे just here is दादर स्टेशन, वहाँ पे सामने. So शाम के टाइम ऐसा होता है दादर मार्केट. और आज अभी टाइम है 50 राइट नाउ, 4:05 ही पकड़ो. और यहाँ आपको फल, ताले, सब so you get a lot of things out here, a lot of fruits, and you know you can just see यार. I can't explain while riding. मेरे को फोकस करना पड़ रहा है आगे यहाँ पे, क्योंकि इतना भीड़ भाड़ वाला जगह है ना. थोड़ा सा भी इधर उधर हो गया तो फिर डांट पड़ेगी. बट हम मुंबई वालों को इसकी आदत है. इट्स एवरीडेज चैलेंज राइडिंग इन क्राउड एंड इन ट्रैफिक. Provide all the details of the shop and the contact details as well, so you can contact the owner and check what prices are there. You get good sort of discounts. I did get a good sort of discount. So scene हो गया मेरा सर. So what exactly happened is, वहाँ पे सिग्नल के वहाँ there was नाकाबंदी and मेरा चालान कट गया है. 1000 का चालान कट गया मेरा.
ये सब बोलने का क्या जरूरत है भाई.